Starting your fitness journey is an exciting step towards better health however, beginners often fall into common traps that can hinder their progress or lead to setbacks. Understanding these mistakes and learning how to avoid them is crucial for long-term success. In this essay, we will explore the most frequent fitness errors beginners make and provide practical advice to help you steer clear of them. Mistake 1. Lack of a clear plan. One of the most common pitfalls is starting without a structured plan. Many beginners jump into fitness with enthusiasm but no clear direction, which often leads to inconsistency and frustration. Without goals or a proper routine, progress becomes difficult to track, and motivation can quickly wane. To avoid this, set realistic short and long-term goals, such as improving strength, losing weight, or running a certain distance. Consult reliable resources or a professional trainer to design a workout plan that aligns with your objectives. Mistake 2. Overtraining and ignoring rest. In the eagerness to see quick results, beginners often push themselves too hard by exercising daily without allowing their bodies to recover. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, injuries, and burnout. Rest days are just as important as workout days because this is when your muscles repair and grow stronger. Incorporate at least 1 or 2 rest days into your weekly routine and listen to your body. Remember, progress takes time and consistency, not just intensity. Mistake 3. Neglecting proper form and technique. Poor form is a significant cause of injuries among fitness beginners. Whether lifting weights, running, or doing bodyweight exercises, incorrect techniques can strain your muscles and joints. It's essential to prioritize learning proper form before increasing intensity or weight. Watching tutorials, seeking guidance from experienced trainers, or attending beginner-friendly classes can help ensure your movements are safe and effective. Mistake 4. Focusing solely on cardio or weights. Another common mistake is prioritizing one type of exercise while neglecting others. For example, some beginners may focus only on cardio to lose weight, while others stick to weightlifting to build muscle. A well-rounded fitness routine includes a mix of strength training, cardiovascular exercise, flexibility, and mobility work. This combination ensures balanced progress and reduces the risk of plateaus or imbalances. Mistake 5. Overlooking nutrition. Exercise alone cannot compensate for a poor diet. Many beginners underestimate the role of proper nutrition in achieving their fitness goals. Whether you aim to lose fat, gain muscle, or improve overall health, your diet must support your efforts. Focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods, staying hydrated, and consuming adequate protein to fuel your workouts and aid recovery. Avoid extreme diets or supplements that promise quick results, as they are rarely sustainable. Mistake 6. Comparing progress to others. Lastly, many beginners fall into the trap of comparing themselves to others, especially on social media. This can lead to unrealistic expectations and discourage you from celebrating your own progress. Remember, fitness is a personal journey, and everyone starts at a different place. Focus on your improvements and celebrate small milestones along the way. Embarking on a fitness journey is an incredible decision, but it's important to approach it with knowledge and patience. By avoiding these common beginner mistakes, such as neglecting proper planning, overtraining, ignoring nutrition, or comparing yourself to others, you can set yourself up for sustainable success. Always remember that consistency, balance, and a focus on long-term health are key to achieving your fitness goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this advice helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. Together, let's make fitness a rewarding and enjoyable part of life. See you in the next video.